Okay, for yesterday's quick write, which is a quiz grade, you're going to click it, and it's going to look something like this. You're going to find 10 quick writes, and you're going to type them here. The quick writes are the assignments we do every day. You write 5 sentences. So you're supposed to find 10 of them, type the name. For instance, you're going to click it, type it, and Monday's quick write was called Beautiful Passages. Again, Monday was called Beautiful Passages. Just type the keywords for the quick writes that you've completed. From here, you're going to go to the next slide, and you're going to answer questions about one of your quick writes that you select from here. You chose this quick write because why? What is one question you have? What is your favorite, least favorite thing about it? And what is one thing that you wish you had? And again, you're selecting one of your quick writes that we do every day. Okay? After that, click Next. You're going to click here. And it's going to look like this. You're going to follow these steps. 1, 2, 3. We'll do the first one together, and you're going to do the same thing for the other 3. So the first one, we're going to highlight it green, yellow, or blue. Trust, facts, or feeling. For the first one, it's facts because of the Second World War. It's a historical event. Tactics. When you click these, you're going to see different examples. You can click it to see a bigger version of it. But as you can see, metaphor, you see the picture of the battery and the man bent over. Low energy. It's a comparison between a man and a battery. If you click on repetition, you see something that just repeats itself, the word repetition. Okay, so we know that it's not repetition because nothing is repeating. So we're going to delete it. Same thing with metaphor. There's no comparison. This one is an illusion. It's illusion because of the reference to the Second World War. And the example here, it's a cartoon, The Little Mermaid. Romeo from Romeo and Juliet is mentioned in the movie The Little Mermaid. This is from The Little Mermaid. Okay? So again, a reference to something that's outside the work. That's why we're going to select illusion, because the Second World War is mentioned in this speech called Let South Africa Show the World How to Forgive. So you're going to take out illusion from the other boxes. And then the last box, you're going to write down why it's effective. So all of these are going to be yes, it's effective because, and you have to give a reason, it's going to be a different reason. But for this one, without the illusion, if we don't have Second World War Germans or Allies, it will be harder to understand. The illusion allows us to picture something in our heads. The war, images of war. And that's the last step. You're going to do the same thing for the other three. So if this one is repetition, then you're going to take out repetition for the other ones. And again, there's 3 more with 3 steps. And you just follow this.